Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Over here, I have something interesting to show you guys. It's a different kind of Hot Wheels. It's a single-pack Mario Kart series that comes with a driver. Oh, this is super awesome. There are 8 karts in this series. Here is Princess Peach. Yeah, I mean, I didn't expect to find this one on the peg. Maybe I'm just lucky. Oh man, super cute. If you've got the full collection of this series, please let me know in the comments. I have a Mario standard kart, the one without the driver. Is it the same scale? Yeah, it's the same scale. Wow, interesting. Okay guys, let's open this up real quick. Here it is. Okay, it's not detachable. Amazing detail. Let's compare it with the basic mainline, side by side. Interesting, it's the right scale. It's the same standard kart. By the way, guys, this single-pack Mario Kart with a driver is a bit pricey compared to the one without driver, but with this kind of detailing, it's hard to let it pass, don't you think? Super cool. Yeah, I can't take it out. Sorry, my princess. Looks like you're stuck in this kart forever. I wish Hot Wheels would come up with a separate detachable driver so we can swap the drivers around different karts. Amazing. Anyway, I'm not sure if I'm going to hunt for the other characters. It's a bit pricey, but if you love Super Mario, this one is a must-have. Gee man, I'm still not sure. It could be fun if I can get the whole team. I don't know. Okay guys, that's all for now. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Take care.